Security Incident Response Integration Builder delivers production-ready security integrations in hours instead of weeks, with zero code. Traditional integrations sometimes require weeks of coordination, API wrangling, and extensive coding. SIR Integration Builder helps organizations go from requirement to product-ready integration in as little as 1 week or less. The builder automatically generates integration code from third-party API documentation. Guided setup workflows simplify configuration. Auto-generated code helps reduce the time spent on easy editing and maintenance. Ravi is a security architect at Acme Corp. After a recent acquisition, Ravi needs to quickly integrate Kaspersky Threat Lookup with ServiceNow Incident Response application. Let's follow along and see how the LLM-powered integration builder simplifies this process. Navigate to SIR Integration Builder and select New to start the integration creation process. Select Create New Application from the drop-down menu and enter values in the application name, description, and scope name fields. Click Create Application and upload a logo for the Kaspersky application. Click the pop-out button beside the scope name field to confirm that all details are correct, and then proceed to the next step. Choose how the platform connects to Kaspersky. The platform supports multiple authentication options. Then, add the connection credentials like connection URL and API key, which vary based on the specific integration. After the credentials are defined, select the connection, save changes, and proceed to the next step. From the capability framework, choose what capabilities the integration should have. For this use case, select Threat Lookup and Observable Enrichment. Then click Save. The next step is to add an API. Name the API call and then navigate to Kaspersky's public API documentation and copy the contents. Paste them into the API documentation section. Also copy and paste the API response structure and sample response into the API sample response field so that now LLM has the best input. Click Create API Endpoint Details and now LLM begins processing. It sends a request to Now Assist for SIR Generator and generates a production-ready flow action in a very short time. Generated details appear for review and modification. All content was created from both the API documentation and the provided response structure. Validate the details against Kaspersky's API documentation. Then save the flow and test the integration with a sample IP address. Test execution is successful. Double-check the request and response. If everything looks good, go ahead and publish the flow. Next, choose API classification. Pre-processing APIs make calls before requesting final results, such as obtaining host IDs or starting sessions. These are required dependencies before the main API call. Results APIs deliver the final data. We select Results API. Select Generate Invocation Script to invoke the flow action. For this example, remove the XAPI keyline, as it's not mandatory. Check for syntax errors and select Generate Parsing Script. The Parsing Script section gets the response from the flow action, parses the required information from the threat lookup capability, such as whether threats are unknown or malicious. Save all changes. Then follow similar steps for lookup domain and endpoint. After confirming all changes, publish the integration. To check if this integration works with real incidents, navigate to Security Incident Workspace and open an existing incident. Under Investigation, select Observables and click Run Threat Lookup. Then select the Kaspersky integration and select Submit. The findings now appear against the observables. SIR Integration Builder delivers LLM-powered code generation, guided setup workflows, and rapid integration deployment in hours instead of weeks.